Hello, my name is Georgia Brown. I am the course coordinator for leading and managing projects. This is a master's level online short course and forms part of the University of Aberdeen's core part of the MBA. On this course, you will be learning the tools and techniques you need to excel at leading and managing projects. To do this, you'll study how projects work and how to manage them better. You'll develop your understanding of managing different kinds of projects, such as why projects run late or over budget, and what you can do to reduce some of the risks associated with projects. You'll cover a range of approaches to projects and project organisation, including traditional, agile and lean project management. You will use digital project control tools and understand project selection, risk and appraisal. You'll also examine project complexity, learning how to apply your knowledge to projects of different sizes and scales. In this course, the topics you will cover include how to evaluate a project scope, risk, quality, time and cost, how to appraise and select projects, different project management methods, and project control tools and techniques, such as PERT, critical path analysis, and earned value analysis. By the end of this course, you'll be able to explain the importance and detail of scope, time, cost, quality, and risk. You will be able to apply a range of project management techniques. You will be able to compare and assess different alternative projects, produce project reports, using them to monitor the progress on projects, and you will be able to select the appropriate project management tools and techniques for the size and type of projects you are working on.